let's go check out that natural bridge. I think it's this way. I seen the sign, so we'll find out here shortly.
VagaBondVito. Don't stop.
Alright, so I found the top of the natural bridge. Now, big question is, how do I get to the bottom of it without jumping? Let's see if there's a little trail over here. There's got to be something, right? Alright, this might be a winner. Alright, phone's going down for a minute. Catch up with you in a second. Alright, so this is a natural bridge. Hopefully it doesn't fall down on me here. Nobody's here, which is kind of nice. You guys all know I like it nice and peaceful when it comes to nature, so now you know. Alright, I guess I'll take the other way out. If there's anything cool worth seeing over this way, hopefully I don't get lost. Alright, so I have no idea where these steps go, but let's find out, right? Don't know where I'm going, but the views are pretty cool, and I'm pretty surprised. It's literally the middle of December and it's 70 degrees here in the Ozarks, so I'm sure that's rare, but you never know. Sometimes you might just get lucky, right? I don't even know if I'm on the path anymore. I'm just walking in the woods, and it looks like the sun's about to go down, so I should probably find my way back. That would be smart. So I better turn off my camera and turn on my brain, so that's a wrap.
VagaBondVito.